Hello Myntra beauty fam, I am Anindita and welcome to Myntra's channel. Today I'm going to show you guys a super easy cut crease makeup look that you can do for any event, or if you are a wedding guest this will be perfect for you. ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा universal look है, so आप किसी भी outfit के साथ इसको कर सकते हो. And even if you're a beginner you can follow these steps and achieve this look. I've used some amazing products from Myntra to create this look and the links to all of them will be in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video and let's get started. I've already done my base, so we have this to work with, and now I'm going to straight up show you guys how I do a cut crease. First things first, you need to prime your eyelids, and for that I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Concealer. Now I just like to take some on a flat brush and apply it on my eyelids. I don't like to go in with a lot of product, and I'm just going to buff that product in. Next I'm going to go in with the eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. This is the Soft Glam 2. So this is a mini version of the bigger Soft Glam palette. We have these 8 gorgeous shades to work with. You can create so many looks with this, like for events, for occasions like weddings. This palette is available on Myntra in case you want to check it out. Now the first shade is going to be a transition shade, and for that I'm going to be using this color right here. This is called Incense, and I'm going to take it on a fluffy brush, and I'm going to basically place this on my crease. So this is the crease, and that is where I'm going to deposit the color and then blend it. I'm focusing most of the product on the outer corners. These eyeshadows are so easy to work with. You guys can see how easily this is blending, and these are super pigmented and buttery as well. Now let's take it a step further and we are going to deepen the eye look. I personally love doing this क्योंकि इससे ना बहुत अच्छा एक definition आ जाता है eyes में, and this palette has such a beautiful color, this one. So this is called Mulberry, the tiniest bit of color because these are super pigmented, and I'm going to place this color on the outer corner like this. Now we are going to cut the crease, and for that I'm going to take a small flat eyeshadow brush. Taking the same L'Oreal concealer, I'm going to take a little bit of product. I'm going to place it on my lid right here. So now I know exactly where to cut it. So you will have something like this, and don't worry if it's like not equal right now. We are going to apply a shade on top of that and then fix it towards the end. You'll see. Okay, I'm going to just apply the champagne shade first right here. This is called Dreamer, and see how that looks. I'm just taking it on my fingers. Trust me, fingers is the way to go. Now you can totally leave it like this, but I'm going to now use this shade right here. I would highly recommend you guys to try out this eyeshadow palette. Link will be in the description. I'm going to go in with Mulberry again and deepen out that outer crease. I'm going to go in with this black shade next. I know it looks a little bit crazy, but trust the process. I'm going to go in with this transition shade and we are just going to blend it all in. मैंने थोड़ा सा काजल लगाया. This is an amazing kajal by MAC, and again I got this from Myntra. Super black. I feel like desi functions के लिए kajal is super important and it really completes the look. Now I'm going to use this Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. Precise brush की help से अपने inner corners को highlight करूँगी. It does not look like it makes a lot of difference right now, but जब आप pictures लोगे ना तो आपको दिखेगा कि आपकी eyes और ज़्यादा ना big and ऐसे खुली खुली लगती है. Last step is mascara, and I'm going to use my favorite mascara, that is L'Oreal Lash Paradise. This is such a good volumizing mascara, and ऐसे टाइप के heavy looks के लिए ना आपको एक बहुत अच्छा mascara चाहिए अगर आप मेरी तरह आपको false lashes लगाने नहीं पसंद, because ये आपको false lashes का ही effect देगा. मुझे ये Myntra पे बहुत अच्छे discount पे मिला था. There will be a link in the description box in case you want to get this. To finish the makeup look, I have 2 lipsticks here. One is from Maybelline. This is one of my all-time favorite shades, and this is called Nude Nuance. And on top of that, I'm going to use a liquid lipstick by Kiro, and this is in the shade Nude Lily. Again, links to all the products that I used are in the description box below in case you want to use the same products like me to achieve this cut crease look. Don't forget to subscribe to Myntra's channel for more such amazing videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye!